Blitapp is a web service to schedule captures of web pages. Create multiple captures that run at different times of the day, week, or month. You can view the screenshots in Blitapp, send them by email to various users, or store them in your cloud storage through apps. We made it easy to create a capture, give it a name, enter one or multiple URLs, and choose a schedule. You can unlock many other capabilities. Check out our video on trackers to extract information from a page and the video on apps to export your screenshots. You can also customize the web browser used by Blitapp, the screenshot, and the interactions with the page. Click on Advanced Web Options to uncover these options. You can select the browser used to capture the pages. Choose between Chrome and Brave, which include an ad blocker, Firefox, and different iPhone as mobile browsers. You can choose a country of origin to get localized content. You can change the size of the browser window as well. We support launching the browser in dark mode. We can automatically hide pop-ups and overlays that may cover the page's content, such as cookie consent banners and ad pop-ups. You can choose between capturing the entire page or just the visible portion of the page. You can also modify the screenshot by cropping, zooming, and the type of image generated, PNG or JPEG. The most powerful feature of Blitapp is probably the rich interactions with pages we support. You can log into a site, fill out forms, and do many other actions. For simple interactions, such as clicking on elements, hiding some objects, or hovering an element to reveal more content, you can simply mention these elements to interact with these three input boxes. For more complex interactions with a page, you can inject JavaScript code to execute. The automation steps let you create very complex interactions easily. For example, you could log into a web page by entering your username and password and clicking the login button. This works with a login form that might span over multiple screens. Navigate to the login page. Enter your username. Enter your password. Click on the login button. You can trigger a screenshot after any step. Once you log in, you can navigate the multiple URLs you specified. We have tutorials on our blog that shows how to create the different steps to log into a site. With the automation steps, you can also fill out a form. We even support loops to iterate over a group of elements, like clicking on a carousel to show the different images or panels and taking screenshots of each. Here's an example of a carousel with 3 items. You can click on the dot to navigate from one item to the other. Let's create the steps. Click on the dot. Wait 2 seconds for the animation to end. And take a screenshot. This loop will run for all the dots found in this carousel. We have a blog post that guides you in creating these different steps for capturing a carousel. Blitapp is free for 14 days. No credit card is required. Sign up for a free account today.